Okay, so we have problem number 3 for phases of soil. A contractor has compacted the base course for a new road and found that the mean value of the test sample shows the moisture content that is equivalent to 14.6%, specific gravity that is equivalent to 2.81, and the unit weight of the soil that is 18.2 kilonewton per cubic meter. The specifications require that the E or the void ratio should be lesser or equal to 0.80. Has the contractor complied with the specifications? Let's try to solve this problem. Let's try to solve the problem number 3. So our given here, we have the moisture content or the water content that is 14.6%. We have the specific gravity that is equivalent to 2.81, and we have the unit weight of the soil that is 18.2 kilonewton per cubic meter. So there is a requirement here. The specifications requires that the E should be lesser or equal to 0.80. Okay, so the question is, has the contractor complied with the specifications? So let's try to solve the problem. We're going to verify this one if we complied these given values with this requirement. So let's try to solve for the value of E, since this is what is asked, and what is asked also if the contractor has complied the specifications. So let's try to think of the equations that we can relate to our given. So we have different equations such as the specific the unit weight of the soil, in which we have these values, specific gravity and the moisture content. We will also relate this one to the unit weight dry, that one. So for the unit weight of the soil, we have the equations such as the unit weight dry multiplied by 1 plus the moisture content. So we have here the moisture content, but we do not have a value for the unit weight dry. But for the unit weight dry, we have the equation that is, we have the specific gravity Gs times the unit weight of the water over 1 plus E. So we can relate this equation with this one. So this becomes, the unit weight of the soil becomes, we have specific gravity times the unit weight of the water times 1 plus the moisture content over 1 plus E. So our objective here is to solve for the E. So we can have also from this equation, we will transpose this one. So we have 1 plus E equals to Gs times unit weight of the water times 1 plus the moisture content over the unit weight of the soil. That's it. So we can solve for the E. We have this one, we have this one, we have this, and we have this. So we have all of the values. So let's try to solve. We have 1 plus E. We have our GS that is equivalent to 2.8 or 2.81 multiplied by 9.81 multiplied by 1 plus our moisture content that is 0.146 all over 18.2, that is our unit weight. So our 1 plus E equals, so we have 1.735, or that is 1.74. So we have E is equals to 1.74 minus 1. So our void ratio is 0.74. Now, that's the value. So, the question is, has the contractor complied with the specifications? So, that's our E, that is equivalent to 0.74, which is lesser than 0.80. So, therefore, the contractor, yes, the contractor has complied. Sorry for the spacing. So, that's it, no? So, 0.74 is lesser than 0.80. And that answers our problem number 3.